Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to share with you how to make delicious vegan ramen at home.
My name is Natalia. I like to cook healthy and delicious plant-based recipes. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can stay up to date. We are going to make some amazing recipes together. Let's jump into the video.
For the recipe, you will need 7 ounce or 200 grams of extra firm tofu. Press tofu for 10 minutes. Cut tofu in cubes. Pour soy sauce and marinate them for 15 minutes. Then put it into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Meanwhile, shred 1 carrot. Add salt and black pepper, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. Mix it and let it sit. Now tofu is ready. For the broth, chop 2 garlic cloves. Slice 5 mushrooms. Take 2 pots. Bring water to a boil for noodles. In another pot, pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Add garlic. Sauté it. Pour 6 cups of organic vegetable broth. Add mushrooms. Bring to boil. Now we are preparing our vegetables. Thinly slice 2 radishes. Cut bok choy. Green onions. Cilantro. Bean sprouts. Diced hot pepper. Add peppers to the broth. Mix 1 tablespoon of white miso paste with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add some broth. Mix everything together and put it in. Taste it. If you need, add salt and black pepper. Put 4 blocks of rice noodles into the boiling water. Follow your cooking instructions for noodles. After 1 minute, start separating noodles gently with a fork. Put bok choy and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Turn the heat off, then add bean sprouts. It's done. When noodles are soft, strain and rinse with cold water to avoid sticking. It's time to serve. Garnish ramen with marinated carrots, tofu, radishes, sprinkle with green onion and cilantro, and finish with white sesame seeds. It smells and looks delicious. Enjoy!
If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.